办公章是开关行关，收盘是伫咧27,647点，也那台积电是收伫1485块，也创历史的新高哦。市值嘛是有达到138.51条。当市长魏泰嘉就表示讲，有打算要伫咧美国找第二块大型土地，赶紧来设厂。
Today, all I want to say about the AI, everything related, like front end and back end capacity, is very tight.
强调需求也是正强。台积电16办第三季发射会，公布合并营收新台币9899亿2000万，每一个营业新台币17.44，创单季新高。第三季毛利率59.5%，是最近11季的高点。
Given the strong AI-related demand from our customers. Furthermore, we are close to securing a second large piece of land nearby to support our current expansion plans.
台积电会加紧伫美国亚利桑那州的产能，按算补建2奈米或者是国家先进的制程。当市长为这家也第一边讲，将会找第二块大型土地。因若台湾厂这边要伫新竹甲高雄起2奈米晶圆厂，因故也是担心地缘政治甲关系风险。
We have more than 500 different customers across all the end market segments. In addition, as process technology complexity increases, the engagement lead time with customers is now at least 2 to 3 years in advance. Therefore, we probably get the deepest and widest look possible in the industry.
强调怎么也无看到气候订单的变化，严过为了要应应全世界贸易政策的无确定性，已经提早应对。因若对大家关心的美国管制晶片，中国市场受限制，伊讲有信心。
If the China market is not available, but I still think the AI's growth will be very dramatic and, as I said, very positive.
16台股开关行关，收盘27,647点，台积电收关伫1485块，搁再创历史新高。市场计价也要挖38.51条，虽然国际局势变动正大，但是市场对 AI 的前景依然正期待、正注意。记者综合报道。